right, we just finished a VT ablation and we're going to close our vascular access site with the MYNX Control Venous. So we're going to start by prepping. We need just 3 cc's of saline. And we test our balloon. You can see it inflate, and then you can also see the indicator in the back here pull back. Pull that back. We'll get the next one ready. Thank you. We're going to go onto the table now. Alright, now that we're on the table, we're going to take our atraumatic tip and insert that. Goes very smoothly up to the hub. And this is kind of a nice feature, it rotates, so you can put that up. We're going to inflate our balloon. You can see the indicator come back for us. And then with an overhand grip, we're going to slowly pull this back, and we're going to see the tension indicator line up when the balloon is against the venotomy site. You can see right there. And then we'll depress number 1. That clock comes up. That reminds us that we got to wait 2 minutes. We're going to do our second one here. Put the atraumatic tip into the sheath and advance to the hub. Again, that rotates. We'll inflate our balloon. We can see the indicator. And again, pull that back so the balloon rests against the venotomy site. And now we just hang out for 2 minutes. I mean, whether it be an ablation in a ventricular arrhythmia or atrial fib, whether it be a left atrial appendage closure procedure, you know, this vascular closure is good across the gamut of venous closures that we might have to do. So it doesn't matter the procedure type as long as you have sheath size that works for the device. All right, guys, now that our 2 minutes is up, I think this was our first one. Deflates the balloon and see the indicator comes down, and then we get hit 2 and this comes out. We're going to hold pressure there for about 1 minute, and we'll do our second one too. Indicator goes in, hit 2, and slowly remove it. And now we'll hold this for about 1 minute. And the patient's going to have 3 hours of bed rest and get up and walk out of the hospital with the same day discharge from a VT ablation. It's pretty amazing.